Now, Vice President of the National Parent Teachers Association of Jamaica, Stuart Jacobs, says ISA's successful staging of boys and girls championships earlier this year has created the opportunity for more school sports to be staged. Jacobs was speaking on the backdrop that schoolboy football has not been staged since 2019, but with many students relying on scholarships, he believes ISA's excellent handling of champs has given them a major headache.
The fact that this has set a precedent with champs, and we all felt safe about champs, and we saw the results of champs, and some of it matriculated into what we're seeing in the world during the championships. It means that they will have to try their best to be consistent with all or most sports as best as possible.
And Jacobs has sought to clear the air that the body and ISA are at a standoff following the Parent Teachers Association questioning the staging of champs in May.
ISA now understands clearly that we are open to listen, we give ideas, we offer solutions. Not only do we offer solutions, but we try to become a part of the solutions, because that's what parents really do, you become a part of the solution. And so we have an open dialogue with an open line with ISA. It was more solidified last year when we had what some people would have wanted to call it an impasse, but it wasn't.